Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Ashdru Arana. I'm in Group 10 in AEC 315, Mechanical, Electrical, and Plumbing Systems. And our group decided to pick Visual 2012 for our lighting and design software, just to go over a quick breakdown of the capabilities of the program. Just from initial opening and looking at the icons on top, I noticed there's very similar layout to some of the drafting programs I've used, in particular Autodesk products. Very similar to this version to Autodesk Revit. As far as manipulation of the program itself, very easy for right click, left click from what we're used to drafting programs, and the manipulation of what we have on the screen itself. This version here is the trial version that I downloaded from the website for free. There is a full version available for $100 for the year. I'm sure it has some increased capabilities, but this one's pretty basic just to get you familiar with the program. All right, as we scroll through the tabs here, you'll notice again the layout of the ribbon itself, very similar to Autodesk products. As you move through, here goes the shapes to construct. Again, a lot of similarities. Modify. These aren't new commands. Very used to if you're used to drafting. Luminaire is something I hadn't seen before. I'm sure with gained experience we can manipulate that as well. Calculations, seen that before as well. View, different views to manipulate what you're drawing on the screen. So some of the features themselves, or I should say capabilities, with this program is the rendering, which allows Visual 2012 is quick and powerful rendering capabilities to allow you and the customer, which is more important, to visualize the lighting design. At the end of the day, we have to make the customer happy, and they want to see an end product. If you can show them something before it's actually built, you greatly increase your chances of not doing rework later on. All right, some of the things that I noticed make this program unique from the products I mentioned through the Autodesk platform are in this little tab here, the Tools tab. All right, I'll go through some of these. I noticed when I clicked on these tools themselves, right, some of them require internet connectivity in order to manipulate the tool itself. So that's something that I think, I'm not sure if it's available with the full version, but definitely with this trial version. So we'll go area. The area tool calculates optimal pole spacing between 4 poles. All right, this is something that's going to be real useful when you're doing parking lots or other open areas. Again, this is not just for interior design work, also exterior. So they're taking into account that. Moving forward, we have the interior tool. As you click on that, the interior, this is one of the menus that brought up, or the tool itself is within the program. This is one that didn't require connectivity for some reason. I'm guessing that's, again, because this is a trial version. The interior tool will calculate the number of luminaires needed to meet the average illuminance across the work plane for an enclosed rectangular room using the principles of the lumen method. So this is calculations normally done longhand, but with this program, besides giving you quick calculations, you also get a visual of what's going on. All right, moving forward, we have the floodlight tool. As you can see, internet connectivity again. This tool here is used to calculate the number of luminaires required to illuminate a surface based on your criteria. This is something you can manipulate as you go on as a designer. And this tool here, we have the roadway tool. Roadway tool will find optimal spacing for poles along a roadway using the criteria and procedures set forth by the IES for roadway lighting. So this already has the standards in there. Okay, and you just go ahead and design as your heart is content. As we close that down, where we at? We're at template is the next one. So the template tool can be used to view ISO illuminance contours, also called templates. All right. You can also compare the template of 2 luminaires simultaneously, or view the point-by-point illuminance differences. So that's pretty neat for laying out room design. And then what we got next one is going to be wall wash. The wall wash tool can calculate the number of luminaires required to illuminate a surface based on your criteria. And through all these tools here on the bottom here, they're going to let you select the products themselves to get real specific with your layout. And they give you pretty much all the specs of what's going on and what you're picking, which is pretty cool. Just cancel that out. All right, and the big moneymaker, I think, for this program itself is going to be the economic tool. This is where, obviously, at the end of the day, we're trying to get greener products for, you know, a leaner price, and that's what the owners and, you know, customers want to hear. They want to hear numbers. And so there's two versions of this economic tool. For this trial version, you have the simple economic tool. It's for a quick, simple electricity savings analysis. This version here, the visual economic tool, is the more in-depth version, and this is only available on the full version. You have to purchase the full version to get access to all the capabilities for this portion. And this, pretty much what it does is determines the most economically viable design solution for both new installations and retrofits. So this is what they want to see at the end of the day. They want to see, you know, the layout, the visual, what they're going to get end product, and ultimately they want to see the numbers. What's it going to cost them? So as we manipulate this program with more experience, I can definitely tell you that playing with the program and using it wasn't hard at all. It's more learning the terminology as far as lighting design, which, you know, would take time, but I could see this being a very easy product to manipulate once you get familiar with the design aspect of it. Because the user interface is very similar to a lot of the products we used in the past. So that's the quick breakdown of Visual 2012. And again, my name is Ash Giorana for Group 10, and thank you for your time.